Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. Market's been a little bit choppy here. I've got the 1 hour chart on the US CAD here. Over the last, well, really since the first of the year, you can see kind of how choppy it was. But in particular, look at the movements that we've seen happen where it's just been flat and then run up, right back down, run up, starting to come back down here. A little bit of volatility here. So what I thought I would do is just kind of draw out some of the areas of support and resistance on these 1 hour charts, and just to get us an idea of where things might be going. As you know, when we look at the rules, the setup conditions for the simple trading method, we're looking for things to be at either support or resistance. And if we can find them at support or resistance, then we're going to be putting ourselves in the right situation. And so as we look at, drawing some lines here, this is a pretty good example of how the market is putting in areas of support along the way here. Broke through that, come back, act as an area of resistance. We can also draw, let me put some more lines on here, other areas that tend to act as, or possible areas that are going to act as support or resistance. And so by drawing these lines, we can get a sense of the direction that things should be going and where we would be looking to go long or short. So there's the US CAD. Now this is again a 1 hour time frame, and we could look at drawing other lines here that might help us, but we're looking for those that are the most consistent with giving support or resistance along the way. And as we look at those, we're looking for multiple time frames that it occurs, that area is support or resistance. Now you'll notice that it's not drawn horizontally, and that's okay. You might find them horizontal, but you might find them at an angle like this. Aussie dollar. We can do the same thing. We can draw our lines that are currently acting as support or resistance. And we can, maybe get some information about how we could trade this using the simple trading method. US Swiss franc. And I will say that sometimes you have an easier time drawing those levels, those lines, than other times. Sometimes they may be harder to identify, and there won't be as strong of an area on the chart that is identifying support and resistance. And that's okay. We're just using tools that we have that can help us with that identification process. And if we can get some benefit from it, then it's going to help us. And if not, like I said, we just go on and look for something else. And sometimes just having an area that's horizontal is sufficient to tell us that the price is at a certain level, and that level is horizontal as opposed to diagonal. And what you want to do is you want to go in and practice drawing these lines so that you're comfortable with the process of where to place those lines. And the better you can get at it, and each person might look at it and draw it a little bit different based off their experience. But what we're looking for is that part in the setup conditions, the market pulls back to support or resistance in order to get into the trade to really give us our best entry possibility. So take some time and practice with that, and if you have questions, let me know. We'll be back tomorrow again to take a look at what's been going on in the markets and answer any questions that might arise. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.